we starting over. The Constitution is broken up into three parts: the preamble, the articles, and the amendments. The preamble describes the purpose of the government and how it's set up. The articles are broken down into 7. The first 3 articles are the separations of power. The first article talks about the legislative power. The legislative branch is separated into 2 parts, the Senate and the House of Representatives. The House of Representatives is the lower house of the U.S. Congress, and the Senate is the upper assembly of the U.S. Congress. Article 2, the executive branch. It's the branch with the president. The president has the power to veto a decision, which is to reject it, that the Congress makes. But if the president commits treason or does any wrongdoing, he can be impeached. To be impeached is a formal accusation of wrongdoing and removal from office. Article 3 is judicial. Judicial is the power of the Supreme Court and the inferior courts. The judicial branch enforces the laws that have been put in place. Laws are rules that a country recognizes as regulating the actions of its members. Article 4 is about adding to the Constitution. Article 5 is about amending the process. Article 6 is the supreme law of the land, and Article 7 is the ratification of the articles. Checks and balances is a system that is given to the 3 branches, which helps them monitor and limit the actions of the other 2 branches, basically making sure that one branch does not have more power than the other 2. The third part of the Constitution is the amendments. The first 10 amendments are called the Bill of Rights. The amendments were added to the Constitution to ensure the protection of citizen liberties and strong central government. Ratification is official approval. Federalism is a political system in which power is shared between the national and the state government. This is important because you don't want your states to have more power than your national government. Republican is someone who supports the Republican Party, and that's one of the parties that are in the United States.